Hey friends, it's Kylie. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to throw together some dinner. So I'm just putting a chicken breast per person, one for me, one for Joe. Next, I'm going to take a package of the onion soup mix. Guys, every opportunity I can, I just buy great value. I'm just going to pour this in there. Onion soup mix. Next, I'm going to add a can of French onion soup. This is also by great value. Pouring that in there, and then I'm going to add a tiny bit of water, and I'm just going to use the can. I'm just adding a tiny bit of water, and I'm going to cook this on, and yes, I'm cooking it from frozen. I'm going to cook this on low for about 4 to 6 hours. I'll keep an eye on it. Sometimes if it's not cooking fast enough, I just add it, put it on high. So, quick, easy, and I'm gonna throw, I'll probably make some potatoes or something like that to go with it, and I'll show you guys what I choose to do for sides later. Love y'all.